I'm a mover, just let you know. If you got a swivel head, that's going to be really handy today.
When we feel like we belong, it's the best feeling in the world. It's powerful. The ultimate outcome of human connection is belonging. My big idea that I want to share with you today is that connecting is simple. Thank you for being here. Connecting is simple. It really is. Everything you want is amplified by belonging. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go. If somebody asks me why I do what I do, it's what just happened in that room. People participate, they start to think, they start to believe in themselves or re-believe in themselves. They wanted to have fun, they wanted to feel the reconnection, they wanted to get some ideas. It's fantastic. What happens when we get together? What happens when we sit at a table? That's magic, my friends, because it's hard to dismiss somebody who's sitting with us. Belonging will only flourish, will only happen when we literally think of belonging as our table. So if we focus on that belonging, we can promote inclusion. We will include diversity. We will get the equity we want. There's no substitute for human connection. How can you humanize your business then?
Ginger Johnson is beyond awesome. It was really engaging.
We had a lot of fun.
Absolutely amazing.
If you ever have the opportunity to see Ginger in person, don't walk, run.
My promise to you is if you choose to apply the 1, 2, 3 that I share about connecting is simple, you will further nurture and build organizations of unshakable belonging. 1, 2, 3, start, simplify, have fun. The very first thing we need to do is start. So to start, get in motion. It seems so obvious, yet we love the idea of strategizing. Do we learn things in strategy or in implementing? Tell me. In implementing, yeah, get out and do the thing. Look people in the eye. Let them know you see them, you value them, you hear them. Can I get an amen? Amen. Ooh, that was a good one. Once we start, we want to simplify. How can we simplify? Well, we start to humanize. Every single industry we're in has some complexities. That's great. That's part of the business. At the same time, we can simplify. My agent texted me. It's like, checking in on you, Ginger. If you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'm leaving you be. That's connection. You can't automate that, friends. That's being a good human. Fun is so critical to healthy operation. Fun is not extra. It is not expensive. If you think fun is expensive, tell me how much it is to replace somebody and to recruit somebody new. When you bake fun into your culture and your budget, fun is magnetic. And she said, Ginger, we have 0 vacancies and all the positions are filled in an industry that the average vacancy rate is 22 to 46%. 0 vacancies is unheard of. And with the right good humans, tell me what's going on. She 1, 2, 3'd it. She started, she got in motion. She simplified, and then she knew there needed to be a joyful culture. She knew that fun was an investment she wanted to make. I call it a ROC, a return on connection. You bake fun into your budget and your culture, it will be magnetic, I guarantee you. Because people want to have fun, right? Yes, woo, that's right.
Ginger is a rock star. She is powerful. She's out of this world.
Get that connector's mindset in there and keep it in there. Be a good human. How can you be kind? See people, value people, hear people. Build, find, seek, foster the common ground. We have so much in common. Find the common ground. It is everywhere. Focus on building cultures of belonging, engendering, helping people know that they are welcome and wanted at the table, and they will stay, they will be loyal, and you'll be unstoppable. That is the power of connection. Thank you so much.